Very pleasant good morning, children. Here, we will move to the next lesson, the child who saved the forest. We depend on forest for our survival. From the air we breathe to the wood we use. Besides providing habitats for animals and livelihoods for humans, forests also offer watershed protections, prevent soil erosion, etc. Okay, here it is an activity, children. This is because you are not here, children, hence the children are running in the picture. What is that activity? You know that? Form a big circle. If you are here, we make or form a circle, but you are not here. So in that picture, the children are running. Start running in the circle. The teacher will say the name of an animal. If it is the name of a wild animal, clap twice. If it is the wild animal, clap twice. If it is the name of the domestic animal, clap once. Here the picture will appear. Observe. I will say the name of the animal, children. Okay. Tiger. Good. Yes. If you clap it twice, it is right. Cow. Yes. Here cow. Cow is domestic animal. Very good. If you clap once, it's right. Next, lion. Very good. Here, lion is here. If you clap twice, yes, it is wild animal. If you clap twice, it's right. Then, sheep. Yes, here sheep. If you clap once, because it is domestic animal. Very good, children. Next one is goats. Yes, very good. Goats are domestic animals. If you clap once, you are very good. Excellent, children. Then another one activity is here, children. That is discuss in pairs how forests are useful to us. Later mention it at least two things that forests give us under each category. One has been done for you already in all the three categories A, B, C. All three categories. One has been done. You make it. What is the category in the food items? Already fruits are there, children. Guess. Observe here. Yes, very good. This nuts. What is this? This is nuts. That is in the food items, food category. We get the honey. Yes, from the forest. That is also in the category of the food. Food. Got it? Then we will move to the shelter to animals. In that category, already den is there. In the den, observe the picture. Yes, lion is there in the den. Next, what is that in that category? Nest. Yes, because the birds build the nests in the trees of the forest, and sometimes that trees in the cities also, either in the villages. Got it? But in the forest, the most of the birds build their nest. Yes, here it is shadow. That is also a shelter of the animals. For examples, elephant lived in the shadow of the trees. Got it? Next, fuel and other things. One is firewood given to you. Then observe rubber. Yes, get the rubber from the forest. Then medicinal plants. These are medicines. Medicinal plants from the forest we get them. Then, children, we will move to the lesson, the child who saved the forest. Here, observe the picture. Prem lived with his parents in a small village near Bandipur forest. He had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. After some days, he became friendly with the animals and birds in the forest. Observe, this is Bandipur forest. Near the Bandipur forest, the Prem's village is there. Prem lived with his parents in a small village near Bandipur forest. This is the picture of the Bandipur forest. He had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. No, you also have the some good habits. Walking, cycling, swimming. These are all the good habits to build our body strong and strength and healthy. Got it, children? For that, here the Prem had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. After some days, he became friendly with the animals and birds in the forest. Here, observe the picture. In this picture, Prem friendly with the animals and birds. Got it, children? These animals and birds are very pet to him, very friendly with the Prem. Okay, he loved the animals, and the animals and birds also loved him. Then the second para of that lesson. One day he came home from school looking sad. His mother asked, "What is the matter, Prem?" He replied, "Ma, I have heard that many trees in the forest will be cut down. Where will the animals and birds go if the trees are cut?" Prem was sad when he came home from school looking very sad. For that, his mother asked to him, "What is the matter, Prem? Why are you looking so sad?" For that, he replied to his mother, "Ma, I have heard that many trees in the forest will be cut down." I have heard that means ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಏನು, that many trees in the forest will be cut down. Where will the animals and birds go if the trees are cut? Yes, his mother knew that Prem loved trees, birds and animals and flowers. So she said, "Why don't you go to the forest with your friend Nasrin? Find out what has happened exactly." Observe the word, children, here happened. That shows that reflect in the red color, children. Which are the red colored words? Those are the new words and difficult words to you. Those words are, then you will know the meaning of those words, children. Find out what has happened exactly. Then Prem took his friend Nasrin with him to the forest. They walked to their most favorite place in the forest. Favorite place it is most liked place to them. Prem and his friend Nasrin both went to and walked to their most favorite place in the forest. As they sat on the rock and looked around, Hira, the deer, came sprinting towards them. Running very fastly, sprinting towards them. The name of the deer that is called Hira. Nasrin asked Prem, "What is the matter? Why is the deer looking sad?" Because the deer Hira looking very sad. For that, Nasrin asked to Prem, "What is the matter? Why is the deer looking sad?" Prem replied, "The trees in the forest would soon be cut down. And Hira must have heard about this. Both thought for a while about where these animals would go. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಆದರೆ, ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕತ್ತರಿಸಿ ಆದರೆ ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಆತಂಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ ಇದ್ದ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ meaning of this lesson, how the Prem had the love about trees, birds, and animals overall the forest. What is children? Here the which words are already those words are in the red colored new words and their meanings here observed. Happened means took place. Happened took place. Already you use it in that word. Find out what has happened exactly. When we make the sentence, find out what has happened exactly. Then another word is here favorite. Favorite means most liked. Yes, they walked to their most favorite place in the forest. In your textbook there is a sentence, they walked to their most favorite place in the forest. Favorite means most liked. Got it, children? Then sprinting means run very fast. The deer came sprinting towards them. The deer came sprinting towards them. Already you learned that sentence. Yes. Thought means to think of an idea. Thought, alochane. Thought means think of an idea. Both thought. Then another one word is while. For some time, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. Both thought for a while. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಯೋಚಿಸಿದರು. Both thought for a while about where these animals would go. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಆದರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಆಲೋಚಿಸಿದರು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಥಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ವೈಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇಳೆ ಅವರು ಆಲೋಚಿಸಿದರು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಫೇವ್ರಿಟ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ಡ್, ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್, ರನ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ದ ಹೀರಾ came sprinting, that is sprinting. Thought, to think of an idea. While, for some time. Got it? Here another one is here. Observe match the words with their meaning, children. Observe. Happened. In front of that word here in the meanings, run very fast, to think of an idea, took place, for some time, most likely. Think about all these words, children. Yes, happened means very good. Took place. The answer is took place. Favorite. Yes, your answer is right. Most liked. Then sprinting. The hero, the deer came sprinting towards to them. Sprinting means run very fast. Very good. Then thought, to think of an idea. Thought means to think of an idea. While, already the last word, for some time. These are the words to matching. Got it, children? You are the best. If you learn all these words, very good. You are the best. Here, some answer the following questions are there, the children. Observe. Where did Prem and his family live? Here 3 options are there. A. Mysuru, B. Mandya, C. Bandipur. Which is the answer for that? Where did Prem and his family live? Yes, near the Bandipur forest. Is it answer is right? Check it out. Yes, the answer is yes, 1. Bandipur. For first one, the Bandipur is the answer. Then second question, why was Prem sad? Because he had to go to school. Because the trees in the forest would be cut. Here 2 options are there, A and B. Which is the right answer? Now shall we know? Yes, because the trees in the forest would be cut down. For that Prem was sad. Third question, who came sprinting towards Prem and Nasrin in the forest. Meera, Hira, Dheera. Which is answer, children? Good. The answer is Hira. Hira. The name of the deer, Hira. Very good, children. Here another one deer also appeared. Thank you. Thanks for watching.